Winston Delgado. This is my 2014 Chevy Camaro ZL1. I was hit in a major hailstorm in Denver a few weeks back, and I'm honestly not sure how these guys at ProMasters Hail Auto Center got this done, because they did PDR. My car was completely ruined from the front to the back, dents everywhere. Insurance said I was going to need a new roof, a new hood, a new trunk, and these guys got the car in the shop right away. All the dents are gone. I really don't know how it's even possible. My car looks just like it did before the hailstorm, so these guys did an amazing job.
Did any money come out of your pocket?
No money out of pocket. I mean, you guys told me from the beginning I wouldn't have to pay anything out of pocket. Honestly, you guys are always available when I had any questions. Always had a status update for me, and I'm actually just blown away I got the car back as fast as I did.
And what about the rental car? Did we set that up for you, or did we?
Well, I had that set up with the insurance, but the insurance already told me you guys were in communication with the car rental place to give them a follow-up on when I got the car back. So you guys did a great job of kind of like keeping them status on that, and honestly, the insurance called me today because you guys were in talks with Enterprise. So
that's great. We appreciate your business, man.
All right, thanks a
very
lot,
much.
man. I'm really happy.
I'm gonna do a video of the car, and it looks great. So I'm proud of my guys and staff.